President Eldenares from under the course or program of BS in Criminology. So, this lesson is all about intuition, proof, and certainty. Sometimes we try to solve problems in mathematics even without using any mathematical computation, and we just simply observe. Example, a pattern to be able on how to deal with the problem, and with this, we can come up with our decision with the use of our intuition. On the other hand, we use another method to solve problems in mathematics to come with correct conclusion or conjecture with the help of different types of proving, where proofs is an example of certainty. So let us start the discussion about the intuition, proofs, and certainty. So first, we define what is intuition. Intuition, there are a lot of definitions of an intuition. And one of these is that it is an immediate understanding or knowing something without reason. It is not require a picture or full of understanding of the problem, as it is used a lot of small pieces of abstract information that you have in your memory to create a reasoning leading to your decision just from the limited information you have about the problem in hand. For example, which of the following have the largest value? Explain it accurately toward the correct conclusion. So, 10 to the power of 3 or 3 to the power of 10. Write your explanation here. So this is my answer. 3 to the power of 10 is way above the curve. So 3 to the power of 10 is greater than 10 cube. 3 to the power of 3 cube is equals to 27 greater than 10. Therefore, 3 cube greater than 10 to the power of 3 and 3 to the power of 10 is greater than 10 cube. Actually, it is much more greater. Much more greater. So number 2, which among of the following has a largest product? Answer, it's 54 times 31. Why? Step-by-step explanation. 32 times 12 is equals to 384. 21 times 43 is equals to 903. And 54 times 31 is equals to 1674. Plus the fact that both number has a greater value, 54 and 31. 54 is greater than 32 and 21. And 31 is greater than 12 but less than 43. But the answer is always greater than 2. Multiplication. Number 3. Look at the figure below. Are two lines a straight line? What is your intuition? Answer. Actually, these two lines are straight line, but intuitively they are not, and this is caused by optical illusion. Number 4. Is the perimeter always even? Answer. I think it will always be even because you have to add the dimensions twice, because a rectangle has 4 sides, but that only 2 numbers read. When you double something, it has half and you can't. Number 5. What is the total number of games of knockout tennis that must be played to find a winner? If 1024 players enter a tournament, answer 1023. Reasoning. 1023 people need to lose a game in order to leave one winner. Conclusion. Creative imagination and intuition are important in mathematics. Proof. To be able to say that a theorem is true, it should be undergo on the process of proving. But what do we mean by proof or a mathematical proof? Proof is a rigorous mathematical argument which unequivocally demonstrated truth of a given proposition. The different methods of proof are as follows: the inductive, deductive, direct proof, indirect proof, proof by counterexample, and proof by contradiction. So, example, number 1, no, not yet. So, all of these methods of proof are written together with the correct mathematical logic and phrase. Methods of proof. In method of proof, basically we need or we have to prove an existing mathematical theorem to be able to determine if this theorem is true or false. Usually, a theorem is in the form of if the statement, so in a certain theorem, it consists of hypothesis and conclusion. Example number 1. If a triangle is a right triangle with sides A, B, and C as hypotenuse, then A squared plus B squared is equals to C squared. 2. Prove that if x is a number with 5x plus 3 is equals to 33, then x is equals to 6 in outline form. Number 3. Prove in paragraph form. If x is a number with 5x plus 3 is equals to 33, then x is equals to 6. Number 4. Prove that if x is an even integers, then x squared minus 6x plus 5 is odd. Number 5. With the use of direct proving, prove the following in both form, outline, and paragraph. So next, let's proceed with the certainty. Certainty. Analytic proposition, true by definition. Synthetic proposition, every proposition that is not analytic. SO. All propositions are either analytic or synthetic. So, meaning is the measurement that gauges the degree to which the available evidence, statistics, the burden of proof, functional certainty is a matter of rationally concluding that the claim has fully satisfied the burden of proof. So, example number 2. If the sky is dark and the wind is getting stronger, then it will rain. CF 0.8. Assume CF, the sky is dark, is equals to 1.0. CF, certainty functional, the wind is getting stronger, is equals to 0.7. Certainty functional, it will rain. Minutes times 1.0, 0.7 times 0.8 is equals to 0.56. In words, it probably will rain. Number 3. Find a logic expression for combining evidence such as. Number 4. If patient has toothache. And number 5. Certainty propagation for complex rule.